How to change your Gmail recovery email address. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Gmail recovery email address. Keeping your recovery email up to date helps you regain access to your Google account if you ever forget your password or can't sign in. Start by opening the Gmail app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Manage Your Google Account. Next, go to the Personal Info tab and tap Email. Under Recovery Email, tap your current recovery email address. Verify your identity if prompted. Then tap Add Recovery. Enter your new recovery email address and click Save. That's it! You've successfully changed your Gmail recovery email address, helping keep your Google account secure and easier to recover. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.